So the third reason is the guilt of making others feel unloved or the guilt of ignoring others' love. So when we go through guilt, what happens is, from the perspective of radical and the perspective of karma, which is that when you do things to others, you open up to receive the same experience. So when you somewhere have not loved people, or you've ignored people or ignored their love, you somewhere punish yourself because of that guilt at the subconscious level. And then how do you punish yourself? You punish yourself by not allowing yourself to be loved. So why do you want to do that? So we work with neutralizing that guilt so that we can forgive ourselves and open up to love. So with forgiveness, it's also important to understand that we need to forgive ourselves and others. And I know it is very difficult and it's easier said than done, but we need to understand that what happens is when we do not forgive people for maybe things that they've done which have been very hurtful, they've maybe betrayed us and abandoned us. So for whatever reason you feel that you cannot forgive them, what you don't realize is that you build this invisible wall and a barrier around you. And that invisible wall and barrier somewhere blocks the flow of love. It's like you walled up because you obviously feel scared that if you open up, you will be hurt again. But it's about not, I'm not saying go and love people again or get overwhelmingly emotional again. It's about neutralizing that hurt. It's about neutralizing the emotional pain and hurts and just dissolve those energy, invisible walls and barriers you've made, so that you can allow the love to flow. And somewhere you need to also forgive yourself and work on your guilt and forgive yourself for maybe doing things which you shouldn't have done in your love relationships, or maybe not doing things or sanctioning unpleasant experiences at the highest level. It's important to forgive yourself and others just so that you can freely flow with love. Because remember one thing, not forgiving yourself or others is basically walling yourself up and holding and storing all those emotions which actually can damage you more than the actual event that because of which you're so upset. So let's begin by forgiving ourselves and others and work with all the earlier points that I shared to open up to this love frequency that is all around us, just like air and water, and allow us to just feel the love.